In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the rectangular array in AutoCAD in a simple, beginner-friendly way. This is a really useful command when you need to copy an object into neat rows and columns without placing every single item by hand. Whether you are working on a floor plan, a technical drawing, or any repeated layout, rectangular array can save you a lot of time and keep everything perfectly aligned. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and step-by-step guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work on. Once your file is open, take a moment to zoom in so you can clearly see the object you want to duplicate. Next, select the object you want to copy. This can be a line, block, shape, symbol, or any other drawing element that you want repeated across your design. After that, go to the command line and type ARRAYRECT, then press Enter. This starts the rectangular array command, which is designed to create multiple copies of your selected object in a grid pattern. As soon as the command is active, AutoCAD will show a preview of the array. Move your cursor to preview how the object will be arranged. You'll be able to see the copies appear in rows and columns before you commit to the placement. When the preview looks good, click to place it in the drawing area. Now it's time to adjust the array settings. You can set the values from the options that appear or use the ribbon controls depending on your version of AutoCAD. Start with rows, which controls how many horizontal lines of objects you want. Then set columns, which controls how many vertical copies will appear. After that, adjust the spacing value, which determines the distance between each item in the array. This spacing is important because it lets you keep the layout even and consistent. If the items are too close together or too far apart, simply change the value until the preview looks right. One of the best things about rectangular array is that you can make quick changes without redrawing anything manually. If your design needs more copies, just increase the row or column count. If you need more room between objects, increase the spacing. If you need a tighter layout, reduce the spacing. This gives you a lot of control and makes the command extremely helpful for repetitive drafting tasks. Once everything is set the way you want it, press Enter to finish. AutoCAD will apply the rectangular array and place all of the copied objects in the pattern you selected, and that's it. You've now learned how to use rectangular array in AutoCAD to create clean, repeated layouts much faster. This is one of those commands that becomes incredibly useful once you start using it in real projects. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AutoCAD tutorials, beginner tips, and software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.